Well, hello guys. This is my Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. As you can see, if you got the same problem here as me, the screen is on, but we cannot do any gesture. The button is full of function. We can turn it on, we can turn it off. Also the volume. But how to solve this problem? So guys, just hold your power button. Then you just touch reboot. Oh no, why it can't? So the trick is hold the power button for 10 seconds. There you go. Yeah, it's kinda take forever for this restart. Here we go. Okay guys, so it's back to normal. Wait guys. Nah, here we go. Yeah, it's kinda okay. We're settled now. We're done. All apps back to normal. The screen can be touched. So that's for today tutorial guys. See you.